So are you ready to pick out the pickaxe to break this wall forever? Hello Reshaper, hope you're doing fantastic today. In today's video I want to share with you, let's break this wall. In this very channel, videos about procrastination, social anxiety, about NLP, LOA and stuff like that. If you're interested in, you can subscribe, notification bell, share with friends and loved ones, we can go if you want to. I do this every Wednesday and Sunday, so let's jump in. Alexspaet. Alright, Reshaper, let me ask yourself, do you hold your own promises? Do you stand to your own promises when you say, okay, I promise you? Do you doing this to the other people? Yes or not? You will comment down below. Because guess what? We have learned from school, from our teachers, from our parents, and from people around us, that keeping promises is really important. Otherwise, you will be a bad person. Right? And nobody wants to be a bad person, because a bad person is a bad person. It's something what is bad. Which we have learned after we have grown, become like 7 years old, right? And because we have learned that, we want to the hell but not become the bad person, right? But we forget one person who we never keep our promises to. It is ourselves. And what happens when we don't keep promises to ourselves is, the more we're doing it, the less self-esteem we have. The less self-esteem we have, self-trust we have. Nani? And with less self-trust, we cannot pursue, we become like a freaking sponge. Who is just passive, doing things what others want, but never do what you want yourself. You just become a people pleaser, but not self-pleaser. But let me ask you, who is the person who you stay from your cradle to your grave? It is you. Therefore, I want first of all focus on yourself, because you cannot serve anyone else if you don't serve yourself in the first place. And being human being, as human being, and being in a society and contributing to society means you're serving the society. So you can't serve the society when you don't serve yourself. And because this is a wall there, the more we don't doing it, this is our heart, our self, our true self is waiting that we are approaching it. It is just waiting there. So how we can approaching it, and how we can break this wall for one another to lying to ourselves and keeping our self-promises from now on. Are you ready to pick the axe and just smash this wall? So let's jump in. First thing you want to do is, you want to go to the meditation state. You want to go from your high beta state, when you kind of adrenaline. You want to go from normal beta state, and then to alpha state into theta state. Why is the theta state is important? In the theta state, self and alpha state, you can do affirmations which are manipulating your brain. Hypnosis, psychologists are using hypnosis to give you affirmations, to manipulate your brain, to bring you to a certain action. How they do it? They bring it to the theta state. So the first thing, you want to go to the theta state. And now your question is, how? And this is how you do it. You set yourself up and meditate. When you meditate, throughout the meditation, you want to imagine how water is going up. It's going up, you feel it on the feet, and you feel it on the shins, and it's go till it really fills whole your body, till your head, everything is just filled with water, and you feel it in every cell of your body. You have to feel it, not just imagine it. It's a big difference. The next thing is, you want to imagine how the whole space fills the body. And then you have to forget about the space, and then you have to forget about the time and about your body. When you forget about the space, time, and body, we're gonna need another Timmy. This is where you are in this theta state. This is where you can manipulate your brain as much as you want. to the positive things. So now you're in a theta state. You want to, the second thing is, ask yourself just one question. One question. And this question is, what is the number one roadblock that's stopping me from growth right now? Just ask yourself, and you will get the answer from your higher self. And the third one is continuously. You have to do it continuously. You can do it, you don't have to do it every single day, but I want to recommend you if you want to have a solid proof that this thing is true. Because the more you do it, the harder your proof is. And the harder your proof is, the harder it is to break. And the harder it is to break, the more confidence you have, the more you can accomplish what you want to accomplish and not just what people make you accomplish. Alright? Recap. How to break your wall of lying to yourself. First things first, you want to go to the theta state through a meditation practice exercise I have described before. Secondly, you want to, through the exercise, ask yourself, what's the number one roadblock that is stopping me for success? What is stopping me from growth? And third one, you want to do it on continuous basis. Reshaper, I do this videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification, share with friends, your loved ones, your cats, dog you want to, because the next video will be how comedy can enhance your life, empower your life, the therapy of comedy. The question of today is, tell me, what's the number one thing you are currently lying to yourself? It's hard, be conscious, and just write down below. I can share myself in the comments too, by the way. Reshaper. In this very channel, I'll do videos about procrastination, social anxiety, LOS, NLP, and so on. If you're interested in this stuff, you can also watch these videos. And meanwhile, as always, do not let yourself to passion now, rush and bow. I put a serious, you put a rock your palm. Kudos for you.